Let's see how this goes. Two out of 10. These are the canyon hearing. There is a lot of canyon trekking, I guess, going on here where you 0 out of 10, where you can sign up with a group and they trek all the canyons here. Everyone has a life jacket. You're part of. My God, those Koreans are terrible. I believe these are Koreans. Yeah, I didn't opt for that. Oh my gosh. Somebody got to save this team. So, as you can see, my gosh, you see, that's how they teach them in Korea. I was gonna say, yeah, you can come here and sign up for the canyoneering and go with the group, check all the canyons, swim, hike, do all the thingy. I don't know how it was a price for that. Apparently, even this you gotta pay for. I just see a sign there. So it's all right, you know, if you want some additional adventure. My gosh, there's a long line too, so they let everybody do it, and then yeah, it's fun. Why not? It's more fun in the Philippines, right? So I think for me, I'm just gonna do more of the hiking. I've done a pretty good hike already. At least a 40 minutes hike, and there's more. The problem I'm having is I'm here by myself. So should I go in that water, I don't know who's gonna look out for my camera and cell phone. And I don't have a plastic waterproof bag. So that's the only regrettable thing. I try to get some locals to come with me, but they were not up for it. Is this the last one? Is there more? How many minutes? How many minutes walk? You don't know. Well, that looks pretty cool, that slide. So that's my challenge. Should I jump in the water? Who's gonna look after my cell phone and camera? I don't know. So I would not advise that you come here by yourself, obviously. That cell phone is way too expensive for me to take that chance. But pretty cool. Nice.
Can you jump? No? No?
All right, see how clear that water is, man? That's amazing. I kind of regret I didn't push harder to get one of my local friends to join me here, because we could take turns going in the water, you know. These folks, I guess, they have guides, so the guide can have the camera and take all the shots for them. And they just make a group video and then they can share it, as well as individual pictures too.
Hello.
Beautiful. So this is called Kawasan Falls in Bato, Biden, Philippines.
You okay?
Koreans?
Yeah, Korean.
I thought so. Wanted to be sure, not getting any trouble. I think I was clean enough. Sorry? Sorry?
You will do a documentation?
Just a little video for memories.
It's okay.
Yeah,
It's nice, huh?
I believe. But how do you, have to walk over there? So if I go left, what does it take me if I go left? And then up. Okay, so behind there, there's a road? Where is the road? So if you go there, what do you turn? Because it only goes left. Is it? Okay. You don't know how many minutes, right? Yeah, I'll check it out. Thanks, man. Long line for the swing. Might have to just stick to hiking for now. Excuse me. We need someone to redeem those Korean swingers and jumpers. Been getting some pretty bad score. Let's see how this guy does. Let me ask this one. How far does the hike goes more? Do you know?
This take 3 hours,
3 hours.
including here.
Okay, so when I go right or left?
You cannot enter right there. Just only for go canyoneering.
So I have to go left.
Yeah, just go right there.
Okay. All right, folks, so I'll turn my camera off and do a little bit more of hiking. I'm really enjoying it. One more jump. Okay. 2 out of 10. All right, folks, ciao. One more view.